everyone, it's Crystal from A Crystal Clear Life, coming to you today with a quick tip. Now, we've been working in our book journal, and I wanted to show you quickly how to do some navigation, moving some things around quicker. I showed you in the last video how to move pages and to copy sections using the drop-down menu, but I want to show you something that works really fast. This is a quick way to move and reorganize pages. So let's take a look in our books and movies section, and you see that I have all of these pages listed here. Some of them I am moving over to my book discussion tab, which is this green tab here in the middle. Let me show you how easy it is to click and drag a page into your new section. Okay, let's say I have a book discussion page that I would like to move. I'm going to go down here to The Curious Charms of Arthur Pepper, and I am going to move that page into my discussion questions page. All I need to do is select the page, press the left mouse button, hold it down, and drag it to that tab. And do you see over here on the pages? There's The Curious Charms of Arthur Pepper. Okay? Now we can do that with The Paris Spy. Click and drag. It's that simple. Don't have to do the drop menu, although you can if you want. Remember to use the drop-down menu. Let's see, here's the Rosie Project book discussion. So to use the drop-down menu, you would right-click, choose Move or Copy, and tell it what section you would like it to go into, book discussion, and move. A few more steps to that, but you understand the process. Or you simply can very quickly click on the book and move it into that section. Okay? So that's an easy way to do that. Also, you can move sections around. Let's say I want my challenges to come first. I simply hold down the left mouse button, and you see the little arrow coming up at the top, and it will move that tab wherever I would like it to be. So now I can put my challenges in the front if I want. It's that easy to move things around. Okay, well, there's your quick tip for today. Click and drag those pages to the right section if you don't want to go through using the drop-down menus. It's that simple in OneNote. Thanks for joining me today, and please think about subscribing if you haven't already. Leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I appreciate every one of you guys, and until next time, okay, bye.